10 Most Popular Afghan Foods. 10. Aushak. Traditional fillings for these delectable Afghan dumplings include chopped spring onions or gandana, a type of leek grown in practically every province of Afghanistan. Aushak, also known as ashak, is typically served with a ragù of minced beef or lamb meat and chakkah, a thick strained yogurt sauce with garlic and fresh mint. 9. Haft mewa. This Afghan dried fruit and nut soup is customarily made the night before Naw Roz, the Afghan New Year, which takes place on the first day of spring. Haft mewa is made of green and red raisins, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, dried apricots, and oleaster berries, all of which are soaked in either water or sweetened rosewater. 8. Asafoetida. Asafoetida is a gum resin made from the taproot or rhizome of gigantic fennels, especially Ferula Asafoetida. The spice is made from plants that are native to Iran and Afghanistan. When exposed to air, the resinous fluid begins to coagulate and has a strong, pungent odor comparable to garlic. The hue of the solidified product might range from gray to black, although it's commonly reddish to brown. This spice comes in a variety of forms, including tears, bulk, paste, and powder. The tears are the purest, the bulk is the most widely available commercially, and the powdered version typically contains gum arabic, flour, and turmeric. 7. Boroni Banjon. Pumpkin or squash chunks are the major components in this Afghan cuisine, which are carefully simmered in a fragrant blend of onions, garlic, coriander, ginger, turmeric, chili peppers, and tomatoes. Boroni Banjon is a meal that can be served as a main course or as a side dish. Garnished with garlic-spiked yogurt and naan bread on the side, it's a popular dish. The dish is typically eaten by scooping a spoonful with Afghan flatbreads, or it can be poured over challo, a type of white rice. 6. Chopin Kebab. Chopin Kebab is a Pashtun specialty cooked with lamb meat grilled over a traditional Afghan charcoal brazier known as a mankal. Sheep herders, Chopin is a Pashto word for shepherd, used to salt portions of lamb, skewer them on twigs or short branches, and cook the meat over an open fire while keeping an eye on their herds. Chopin Kebab can now be available in a variety of kebab street vendors known as Dukan-e-Kebabi. Jijik, chunks of fat from the sheep's tail that are put to lamb skewers for extra flavor, is frequently used, and the meat is occasionally pre-marinated. 5. Boroni Banjon. This wonderful Afghan vegetable dish is made with fried eggplant slices that are cooked in a fragrant tomato sauce and topped with a thick yogurt with garlic and mint. Boroni Banjon is commonly eaten on its own, but it also goes well with Kabuli lamb pilaf when served with Afghan non-flatbread. 4. Mastawa. Chickpeas, short-grained rice, and salted, sun-dried mutton called landi are all cooked together in a fragrant broth flavored with onions, garlic, turmeric, coriander, and mint in this classic Afghan winter dish. Naranj, bitter orange peel, and hot peppers are added near the end of the cooking process, giving this sticky rice dish a fragrant and spicy flavor. Mastawa can also be made using other dry meats, such as Afghan gosht ekak, but the finishing touch is croup, an Afghan cheese formed from strained, salted, and dried yogurt, the one component for which there are no suitable substitutes. 3. Goshifil. Goshifil is an Afghan fried sweet pastry with a form that has earned it the moniker elephant's ear. The primary ingredients in the dough are flour, sugar, eggs, and milk, which are thinly rolled and cooked in oil for only a few seconds on both sides after it has been kneaded and rested. 2. Gabili Pulao. Gabili Pulao, the crown of Afghan cuisine, is thought to have been invented by Kabul's upper-class households who could afford to produce this lavish meat and rice dish. With time, pulao became known as Gabili Pulao, derived from the Dari term kabil, which means competent or able, because it was thought that only a highly experienced cook could produce a superb Afghan-style pilaf. Furthermore, it is stated that an Afghan woman's marriage prospects are determined by her ability to produce Gabili Pulao. Steamed long-grained rice is blended with caramelized carrots, raisins, almonds, and bits of lamb meat in this national meal, though chicken and beef are also popular. 1. Bolani. The Afghan bolani is a stuffed, pan-fried flatbread made with unleavened dough and typically filled with mashed potatoes and a variety of other ingredients such as spinach, spring onions, pumpkin, or even green or red lentils. Bolani is a popular roadside snack in Afghanistan, but it is also frequently prepared at home and served as a side dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications.